Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to my second class. So this is my second class about the dose calculation. How we can calculate the different doses. So here I have put a question that let's suppose if you have decided to inject adrenaline hydrochloride for a child of 5 years 20 kg. This is the age of the patient child and this is the weight of the child. Now fill up the syringe to inject the proper dose. How much dose is required to fill up the syringe? So here the dose which I have mentioned. So the dose is 0.01 milligram per kg. This is the given dose, and the ampule contain 1:1000 solution. Now here there are two questions. The first question is that which route will be prepared and why this route is prepared. Simple is that mathematically now to calculate the dose per 5 years old child, his weight is 20 kg. Before starting calculation, we must know about the dose of adrenalines. So the dose of adrenaline, that is 0.01 milligram per kg, which is mentioned here, and the ampule contain 1:1000 solution. So this point is already mentioned here. Now the weight of the child is 20 kg. This is also clear. Now in order to calculate what will be the required dose which is required for that individuals. Now in order to calculate the dose, I will put this formula. So the required dose is equal to 0.01 multiplied by 20. So it means that for required dose, I will multiply the dose of adrenaline multiplied by the weight of the child. So this is the general formula through which you can calculate the dose. So the required dose will be 0.2 milligram, and this dose come from here. Now as we know that the adrenaline concentration, that is already 1:1000. So what does it mean? So it means that 1 gram and 1000 ml. It means that we will dissolve 1 gram and 1000 ml. So it means that 1 milligram is equal to 1 ml. So what will be the results? It means that fill the syringe up to 0.2 ml. So now this point is clear that 0.2 ml, the required dose is 0.2 milligram. So it means 0.2 milligram. So per liquid we can't mention here 0.2 milligram. So instead of 0.2 milligrams, I will mention here 0.2 ml because these are injections. Now there are two questions. The first question is which route will be prepared. The second one is why. Now to fill the syringe up to 0.2 ml. So this is the required dose which is required for a child whose age is 5 years and 20 kg weight. So I am sure that subcutaneous route it is preferred because IV route can cause tachycardia. Let's suppose if I can inject 0.2 ml by IV route, there may be chances of tachycardia, decrease heart rate and increase the blood pressure, and there may be chances of cerebral hemorrhage. or precipitation of angina or myocardial infarctions. So it means now the answer of these two questions is, as if this injection can be administered subcutaneously, so it will be more influential. And why? Because if this injection, if this drug can be administered by IV route, so it will cause tachycardia, it will rise your blood pressure, and there may be chances of cerebral hemorrhage or precipitation of angina or myocardial infarctions. So cerebral hemorrhage maybe occurs. So that's why we can prefer the subcutaneous route. So this is a very simple calculations. Here the dose is already, this is normally you must know about, this is the weight of the baby, the weight of the child, and his age is 5 years, and this is the already the dose which is mentioned, which is given in the question, which is 0.01 milligram per kg body weight. It means this dose can be recommended on the basis of what? On the basis of, you can say, body weight. And the ampules which contain 1:1000 solutions. So this is a very simple calculations. In next lecture I will discuss the second examples.